So, you want to know if Vips is free? That's a great question. After all, who doesn't love free stuff? But let's be real, nothing in life is truly free. There's always a catch, right? Or is there? Vips is a popular mobile payment app, especially in Norway. It's used for everything from paying for coffee to transferring money to friends. But is it really free to use? Let's dive in. First off, what exactly is Vips? Well, it's a digital wallet that allows you to send and receive money instantly. It's linked to your bank account, so you can use it to pay for goods and services, transfer money to friends, and even split bills. Simple, right? But is it free? The short answer is, it depends. Now, before you click away, hear me out. Vips offers a basic service that is indeed free. You can send and receive money, make payments, and use it for most everyday transactions without paying a dime. That's right, 0 kroner. But, like most things in life, there's a catch. Or rather, there are options. Vips offers additional services that come with a price tag. For instance, if you want to withdraw cash from an ATM using Vips, you might incur a fee. Similarly, if you're making international transfers, there could be charges involved. So, while the core functionality of Vips is free, it's essential to understand the potential costs associated with additional services. Now, you might be wondering, why would they offer a free service? Well, it's a smart business strategy. By offering a free basic service, Vips attracts a massive user base. Once they have you hooked, they can then offer premium features for a fee. It's a win-win for them. But don't get me wrong, just because there are potential costs doesn't mean Vips is a bad deal. For most people, the free basic service is more than enough. And even if you do need to use the premium features, the fees are often quite reasonable compared to traditional banking options. So, is Vips free? Yes and no. It's free to use for most basic functions, but there are additional costs for certain services. The key is to understand what you need and what you're willing to pay. But let's not stop there. There's more to Vips than just being free or not free. It's about convenience, security, and innovation. Vips has changed the way people handle money in Norway, and it's slowly gaining popularity in other countries as well. It's a testament to how technology can simplify our lives. So, while the question of whether Vips is free might have brought you here, there's a much bigger picture to consider. It's about how digital wallets are changing the financial landscape and how they can benefit you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.